Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is really exciting for me because I'm going to share with you how you can start up a 7-figure e-commerce business right here in Africa, Nigeria, specifically as a case study, or even anywhere in the world, right? But I'm going to spend time using Nigeria case scenario. So if you're in Nigeria and you're hoping to start e-commerce business, you have to fully pay attention to everything I'll be sharing with you in this video from beginning to the end. And it's going to interest you that I'll be sharing top secret that I've used as an e-commerce expert myself. I hate using the word expert, but that is just the fact. Myself right here in Nigeria, some of the secrets we've used and some of the things we share in secret among ourselves that will really help you skyrocket your e-commerce business. Probably you're a novice, you've not started before. Maybe you have started the business, but you're looking for ways to make more sales and scale up the business. My name is Joshua, and I'm glad you're on my YouTube channel. And we're going to get started immediately. Now, when we talk about e-commerce business, I would like to first of all clear the doubt or clear the belief that e-commerce business is for some people, or maybe it's difficult right now in Nigeria. Yes, there might be cases of one or two inconveniences right now in Nigeria, but that doesn't mean that e-commerce business model has failed in Nigeria. No, it has not. As a matter of fact, as I'm talking to you right now, as at the time of recording this video, I actually have a product I'm selling right now that the ads is up and running. As of last night, we got about 6 orders on which was not bad at all because we started the ad yesterday, and on a very average ad spend and with a good buying power. And that means that up till now, there is still hope, massive hope for e-commerce business to thrive even here in Nigeria. And I'm not saying this to pamper your mind or titillate your spirit either. I'm just saying this because it's the real fact. Because people have seen the Facebook problem per se, which if you're a novice you might not understand as a major roadblock, but that doesn't mean that the business model has failed. Now, let's start from the beginning. If I want to start up an e-commerce business right now in Nigeria, what should I do? How do I even start? Who should I go to? What are the steps I need to take? So I'm going to start first by sharing with you the 5-step processes you need to take to start up your e-commerce business right now in Nigeria. And if you follow these 5-step processes, you should be counting your sales at the end of this video conversation. That's if you're going to take this step, if you're going to take these 5 steps step by step. If you take the first step, you pause the video, that's what will happen at the end. But I know you won't do that. But just take down these 5-step processes, apply it, and you'll start seeing results. First of all, what is e-commerce business? E-commerce business is selling out products and services. But now we are using the electronic process, right? So we are deploying the use of internet to sell out products, right? But this time, e-commerce focuses on physical products. So right now in Nigeria, there's a little tweak to the e-commerce structure where we have top e-commerce platforms like Jumia, Konga, and the rest of it. There are a lot more of those ones, but these are the most prominent ones right now in Nigeria, where we have sellers putting up their products and people coming to buy them online. They place order for it, and this product are shipped down to their location. Now, to start that kind of business right now, you might have to struggle or compete with these bodies like Jumia and Konga, and you're going to need a lot of work of bringing in sellers or even bringing in your own, listing all of your products on the platform. But there is this system that gives this new methodological process that gives you room to sell out your product. And initially, years back, people will want to import products. So they will look out for a particular kind of products. They will import it either from China, from Dubai, from US, from different countries, and they will sell it. But a problem now came where the cost of importation increased, the cost of custom, the cost of clearance, cost of all of those stuff increased and affected the value structure, the profit structure for a regular mini importer or max importer, as the case may be. So instead of just importing 10 or 100 of a particular product and having to pay all of this money and the whole rigorous process, in quotes, they are not rigorous. They are mini importers who are importing products every day, right? But instead of going through those processes, we now deploy what we call local arbitrage. Local arbitrage is where you have to work with people that that their businesses depend solely on importation business, that they import thousands of a particular product, or maybe in hundreds of thousands in a very large scale quantity, and they already have their contact connection, direct suppliers outside the country. So what we do is that we connect with these people, buy this product from them at a very cheap rate, and sell at a very competitive price, or sometimes even high price, as the case may be. So let's take, for example, you want to start your e-commerce business. The very first thing you will need to discover is, what niche do I want to go into? Because in the e-commerce business, there are several niches. So you might want to do the health niche, you might want to do the gadget niche, you might want to do a lot of those niche, different categories, fashion, jewelries, all of those stuff. So you have to pick up a particular niche you feel like this is a niche that resonates with me, that I'll feel so comfortable to sell out. Well, for the past couple of years, I've been in the health niche. All right, even with the crisis of advertising, I've been in the health niche. But let me not distract the process of this video, right? So let's come back. So pick a niche. So let's say you want to sell health product. That means you're going to sell health related products. Let's say you want to sell gadgets. You're going to sell fitness products. You want to sell treadmills, exercising kits, all of those amazing things, right? So you just do a combo of all of these things and sell out. So it all depends on the niche you want to pick. But let's say you're even confused of the niche to hop into. There is an easy way. Just go to www.gg.ng. Now look out for possible products that are solving problems. It doesn't necessarily mean that you keep selling a kind of product forever if you're in the e-commerce business. There were times you were revolving around different product types, right? Those times are gone for us. But I will give you an expert strategy at the end of this video, so just pay attention. So look out for products that are really solving a problem. Don't look for products that are so super generic, a random product like a USB flash, which is good. It's a product you can sell, of course, but to stand a chance to make a lot of money within a particular time frame, you want to sell products that are really solving strategic and clear-cut problems. Okay, you want to go with that to start up. Now, some of these other products like this slide I mentioned, you can then use it as an add-on, which I'll be telling you very soon, as an expert strategy you can use to sell out more. All right, so let's continue. So look for a niche. If you don't have a niche, you can go to gg.ng, which is a marketplace for a lot of these products. A lot of these very top sellers who import in bulk right here in Nigeria, they have this product listed on gg.ng. So what you just do is go to gg.ng and look out for these products, get them, you see their supplier contact, and you call them. But I must tell you this, you have to be very careful, because not everybody listed on GG are legit. This is a big country, a big world. Anyone can go there and put up any kind of thing. So you have to be very careful. So what we even do is that we have strategic and verified suppliers, right? So if you're working in my team, if you're in my mentorship program, you're going to understand that we have this circle of verified suppliers we work with, and in our circle we have contacts you can always work with. So if you're within my mentorship corridor, you will get all of these things as a benefit, right? So but if you feel like you can find your way around it, go to gg.ng, look out for this product, look out for their suppliers. The next thing you want to do is you want to call the supplier and strike a good deal. Don't call them and tell them, "Oh God, do you have this product I want to buy?" So if you sound that way, they're going to sell to you at a selling price, which is not bad per se. But what I will do, this is an expert strategist. Hello sir, my name is Joshua. I am an e-commerce guy. I sell products online, and I would like to sell out your product. I feel like it's a major product that is solving good number of problems, or solving a particular problem, or problem XYZ. And I can guarantee you I'll be bringing at least 10 buyers of this product at least every single day. So let's strike a deal. Instead of selling to me at 5,000 naira, sell to me at 3,500, and then we can continue. The seller will be like, "No, it's too small, that and that." You negotiate properly, all right? You do your negotiation, implement some negotiation strategy, which I have taught in my inner circle. You can join my inner circle anywhere. So you just close up do all of the negotiation, whatever, and then find a good selling price. So when you strike a deal with them, if you're opportune to live around their location, most of these sellers are in Lagos, If you have a contact in Lagos that will check out for you, they can go to their store, check out this store, check out this product here. If you don't have someone in Lagos, just find a way to verify this product works and be sure it's what you are saying that you'll be delivering to people, right? So the next line of thing you want to do now is to now build your online platform. So first, you set up your Facebook page. Second, you set up your own website. The website is for you to design your landing page or in quotes your sales page. But remember, you're not just going to depend on a sales page to sell out your product. You will have to build a sales funnel. So you get your Facebook page up and running, you get your website up and running, then you get your Facebook ad manager ready. These three things have to be ready. They have to be ready. So you get them ready, and then the next line of action is to start selling. And before you start selling, what do you need to do? You have to build a sales funnel for that product. So let's say we pick a product on gg.ng, and maybe I should be showing something like that on my screen. We pick a random product. What we want to do is to create a sales funnel. Now the question is, what is sales funnel? I've answered this question a couple of times on my YouTube channel right here, or probably on my social media handles. Sales funnel is a journey we want to take our customers from discovering our products to buying our product. That's the whole concept of funnel. But we want to do it strategically like that. We don't want our customer to be distracted. We want to draw their attention to the CTA or the action we want them to take while interacting with our product online. So when they see our product, we want them to end up giving us money, and then we deliver that product. So build this systematic. So there are a lot of processes to setting up your funnel. So you want to do those logical analysis and systematic analysis and get this thing up and running. So when you set up this, the next thing is to plug on your Facebook ads. So you open your Facebook ad manager, set up your ads, and when you set up your ads, your campaign is live. And that is where they want to start coming in. People start seeing the product you are selling, start calling you, start placing orders. And then you just work with delivery agents, right? Just work with their delivery agent that deliver products everywhere. So right now, as at the time of recording this video, I'm not anywhere close to Lagos, right? Now, but I don't need to go to Lagos to deliver my product. I don't need to be in any state that my product is to deliver it. So I just put up this product in strategic places. With strategic agent, they hold this product. And if I get another in Port Harcourt, my agent within the environment of Port Harcourt will go and deliver the product and collect the money for me. Deliver the product and collect the money for me. Deliver the product and collect the money for me. And if that is done, at the end of the day, they remit their money back to me. So I stay at the comfort of my house. I have a product. I put it out for sale. I'm selling it. People are delivering it for me, collecting my money back for me, and sending it back to me. This is financial freedom, people. And that is why the e-commerce business model is amazing. But like I said, there are a lot of technical things you need to do in between. And that is exactly why I've built up this already structured e-commerce course for you guys. And this course, ever since it has recorded, it has helped a lot of people. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a lot of expert secrets to this e-commerce course bundle. It's called the 7-in-1 e-commerce mastery course. The link is on the description section. If you take that course right now at the discounted price of 20,000 naira, you're going to get a strategic access to me and also get strategic access to the new features and new course update I'm going to release on that course this week. Depending on the time you're watching this video. So all of them are going to come in this week. Expert strategy for surviving e-commerce business right in Nigeria. But you have to take the course. It's currently at 20,000 naira at the time of recording this video. And I hope the price doesn't increase very soon. So hop into it, grab the discounted price. It should be 60k. You have 7-in-1 mini importation. You have the website design. Just in case you don't have a website before, you don't even know how to set up your own website. You have a course that teaches you how to set up your own website. You have a course that teaches you how to set up your own sales page. You have a course that shows the fundamentals of Facebook and Instagram ads, how to set up your ad manager. You have a course that shows you how to outsource these products on GG and be sure people you are buying from, and how to do price comparison before you buy from a particular supplier. You have all of these other bundles. You have a list of delivery agents in Nigeria, about 70 of them. You have a list of products you can start up selling with their supplier contact who can deliver these products to you. What else do you need to start up this business? All already bonded for you in my e-commerce mastery course. And if you take the course right now, you get access to the course, get access to my community, and also get access to the course updates I'll be giving right now. And the community, the group right now is now available to join the community, and the group is only on WhatsApp. I strategically placed it on WhatsApp. So you join the community, take the course. These are video courses, not text and book. These are video recorded courses for you to take. And then once you make your payment, you have access to my website, so you have your own account and you have these videos available for you for a lifetime. You have to watch them. If you want to watch them 100 million times, it's all yours. So what are you waiting for? So click the link below. You see mbajoshuac.com/ecom, mbajoshuac.com/ecom. Take up the program, and then you really be on the go for your e-commerce freedom. But nevertheless, I want you to remain sensitive to the content I'll be dropping here. Follow, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you learned something in this video, and I'll be glad to get feedbacks from you. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and in the next video is going to be mind-blowing, so make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified when I'll drop the next video. Thank you.